Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in a blank workbook. Click a cell and type to enter data, then press Enter to lock that entry. Once done, use Tab to move horizontally and arrow keys for precise navigation. Make sure to rename the worksheet by double-clicking its tab so files stay organized. If you need a template instead, choose one from the start screen to save time. These first actions let you build a clear grid, which makes sorting, formulas, and formatting easier later on. Now focus on making the sheet readable. Select a column and auto-fit width by double-clicking the divider or use Home Format. Once your cells contain numbers or dates, set the correct number format so calculations behave properly. Add bold headers and a light fill color to separate sections visually. Borders can help when printing. You'll save time validating data and avoiding errors. Remember, consistent formatting streamlines formulas and makes future edits and analysis much faster and less error-prone. Begin calculations with an equals sign. Type equals sum A2, A10 to add, or equals A2/B2 for division, and press Enter. Once you see expected results, save the file with Ctrl+S and turn on Auto Save if available. If a formula returns an error, first inspect parentheses and range references, then ensure cells are formatted as numbers rather than text. You can also use the formula auditing tools to trace precedents. These closing steps secure your work and help you diagnose common mistakes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.